I'm here at the Paporama in Switzerland, which is basically kind of a zoo, but for butterflies and insects and bats and all kind of tropical animals, which are basically, and the butterflies are huge and amazing and absolutely beautiful. The last time I was here, it was many years ago, and I wanted to take you with me for this journey, and I really hope you can relax to it and have fun with it, and maybe consider visiting Paporama when you are in Switzerland, maybe sometimes. Let's go. So it's so humid and hot inside that we have trouble with our glasses. So we have to stay here for a while until we are ready to see. I really feel like that I have to be extra careful that I don't accidentally step on a butterfly actually, but it's so beautiful. I feel like a little child.
Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, so cute.
Oh my god, look at look.
Oh my god.
So now the camera is clear, or should be clear. I have to just walk around and have the atmosphere here with me. It's so beautiful, and the plants and the butterflies, and there are also some chickens here, which I haven't seen before, so I don't know their name. And I think there should be somewhere bats as well. So
Du, lieb miteinander. Nicht streiten.
musst nur aufpassen. You have to be careful that you don't step on the birds as well. Whoa. I probably could stay in this thing forever. I think it's so beautiful. Really. It's just, look. It's open. In the trees. You have to look in the trees. Do not shit on me. Hello. They have kind of restless something. They're so cute. So I don't think you can see it so pretty good from this spot, but over there is a big bat, kind of the big ones who look like dogs.
So cute. Oh my baby.
Schön.
Und sie sind so diffizil, weißt. Aber doch sind sie so hübsch und eigentlich noch gut im Fliegen.
Alright guys, so here you can see actually the cocoons of these different kind of butterflies, and you see at some points they're hatching. It's so interesting. And actually you see some of the butterflies who already hatched. They're so clear in the color, but they still have to be protected, otherwise they have a hard time when releasing it right after the hatch into this environment. So, alright you guys, this is called the Nocturnal, and the Nocturnal is basically, as you can see, it's dark, so it's supposed to be night, and that you can have a sight of a dark or in the night living animal, kind of bats or I don't know. Let's see what they got. So come on. There is a moth, lazy animals. So cute. There are some bats inside. I barely can see them, but I see them just in a flyby. It's incredible how fast they are. I have to figure out what kind of animals these are. I don't think those are opossums or something, but they look like opossums. Whoa, those are huge. Oh my god. Oh my god. This fish is huge. And look at, there's a magma. What kind of Manta. Stachelrochen. Rochen. Oh, ui. Wow, look at these. Oh my god. These are huge. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Can you imagine, like, being outside and then this huge monster is coming your way? Oh my god. This small, oh look at this head. Oh my gosh. It's so interesting. Oh, there's another one. Hello. Hi. Bye. Hi. Oh my gosh.
my god. They're definitely... They're definitely a couple. So, we found it. Brasilianischer Greifstachler. Whatever. Coendu prehenensilis. Okay, so very cute. But there, I saw that right. It's like a hedgehog, like pointy little bastards, but I think they're so cute. Look at them. Oh, there they are. Look. So cute. And this is a Riesenborkenratte. A Phloemis pallidus. A rat, basically. A giant rat. There it is. Look. Hello. Hi, but oh my god, I didn't want to scare you. Oh, baby. Yep. Erdferkel. A Orycteropus afer. Oh my gosh, these are huge. Why are they so huge? They're huge. And now we're going inside a cave, basically, and inside this cave are bats as well. It was the last time, actually. So let's see if we can find some bats in here. Let's see what's in here. Bats. I haven't seen a bat here, but they are here sometimes. Hi, Seth. Seth. Oh my god. These are not as slow as I thought. They're actually faster than I thought. It's so cute. So sweet. It's so beautiful. Let's go to the tunnel track. And here it's already very humid, very hot. It's for tropical animals, birds and stuff like that. So I've never been here before, so this is the first time. They haven't had this area when I was here the last time, so very excited to see it. Oh, so beautiful. Hi. So cute. You have to hear it. So I have to correct myself. The last time I was here, I was already here as well because I remember this tree walk basically. I remember this. So it was here when I was here. I just didn't remember. Oh, my Peppy! Pepe! Peppy! These are the same fish as in the Nocturnal with the crazy head. I wonder what they know that we don't. Goed time. Sie ruimt. Oh, sie ruimt. Ganz viel. Look. Look. Oh, hij is neugierig. Hast du gesehen? Jetzt kommen alle hinten. They are coming. Look. Oh my god, look. I was just snuggling to them. Baby. So sweet. Oh my god. Yeah. Look how sweet they are. The pigs are awake. Squeal. It's so hot up here. I thought even it was hot downstairs, but up here in the trees it's even more hot and humid. Look at this leaf, palm leaf. It's huge, Jesus Christ. Look at this. It's incredible. And I saw actually a toucan. Where is it? It's somewhere in the bushes. I saw a toucan. I don't know where it is though. There! Right there. I hope you can see. There it is. See the toucan? I have to go downstairs immediately. Boop, boop. was so fun. Alright, my love, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, I love insects, I love animals, and I've been here and I wanted to show you this. So if you like this kind of video, make sure you give me a like, and you can always comment down below what kind of future videos you want as an ASMR. And don't forget, I love you and I see you very soon.